The successful Marder infantry fighting vehicle known as the Marten IFV has been in use by the German military for more than 40 years, and it is beginning to show its age. The German army has been gradually replacing it with the Puma, a vehicle of the next generation that has proven to be the ideal companion for Panzer Grenadiers and Leopard tanks because it did not want to fall behind the IFVs of other nations. The Puma also lives up to its name by reaching speeds of more than 70 kilometers per hour and striking the enemy from places where they least expect it. It is outfitted with state-of-the-art interchangeable armor plates that can make it as heavy and bulletproof as a Russian T-72 tank. Its capabilities include a devastating cannon, machine guns, 360-degree situational awareness, and hunter-killer drones. Recent reports of a partnership with the future soldier system of the German army may also have it controlling the skies. Development. Krauss-Maffei Wegmann and Rheinmetall collaborated on the development of the new Puma infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, in Germany to replace the German Marder I IFV, which is now over 30 years old. In 2004, 5 pre-production automobiles were delivered. The Puma passed numerous tests and trials with flying colors. In 2015, the first Puma IFVs of production were delivered to the German army. There will be 350 of these machines delivered. 405 new IFVs were initially planned for purchase. However, due to limited funding, this number was later reduced. It is currently the largest procurement program for the German army. The Puma was intended to gradually replace the aging Marder IFV. Puma is currently one of the world's most advanced and secure IFVs. However, operational use revealed that this armored vehicle has some issues. During exercises in Germany in 2022 and 2023, all 18 Pumas failed on the battlefield and were unable to complete their tasks. Officials in the German military made the immediate announcement that these armored vehicles would not be ordered again. Armament. The Puma's 30mm autocannon, which can accurately fire a variety of projectiles up to 3,000 meters, or about 1.8 miles, is one of its most formidable features. Even though the Puma's 30mm ammunition is noticeably smaller and less potent than that of some other European IFVs of a similar design, it saves weight and has more ammunition capacity. The autocannon of the Puma can fire 2 kinds of ammunition, an airburst type of weapon that can be used against infantry and other targets, including targets protected in trenches or behind low walls or other similar protection, as well as a fin-stabilized sabot-type round for use against armored vehicles. The Puma's main weapon has a strange-looking metallic tube that measures projectile velocity and is used to program fuses for airburst ammunition. Protection. Apart from its armor, the Puma's modular armor protection package is one of its most formidable features. It can be adjusted to protect against expected threats like against handheld anti-tank weapons, medium-caliber weapons, artillery fragments, and bomblets. According to the manufacturer, the Puma is protected further by an active protection system that can detect an approaching missile or laser missile marker in addition to modular armor. The MUS system can simultaneously track up to 4 targets. A relatively smooth, low-profile design that presents a relatively small target silhouette, considering the Puma's size further enhances the excellent armor protection of the vehicle. Sensors. The Puma makes situational awareness better. A direct glass optic link connects either the commander or the gunner through the fully stabilized 360 degrees periscope, PERI, with 6 distinct zoom stages. The image from this line can also be fed into the onboard computer network via an additional CCD camera and displayed on all of the vehicle's electronic displays. In addition, the periscope features a laser rangefinder, a wide-angle camera with 3 zoom stages, and an optronic thermal vision mode to assist the driver. The entire array can hunt and kill. Additionally, the commander has 5 vision blocks. Coaxially attached to the main gun are the gunner's optics, which can be completely protected with a slide hatch. In addition to an optronic day sight and a laser rangefinder, the gunner also carries a glass block. Mobility. On the battlefield, it is customary for IFVs to interact with main battle tanks, MBTs. In point of fact, a lot of IFVs aren't mobile enough to keep up with an MBT speed. With a number of key technologies, the Puma aims to close this gap. First, its 800 kilowatts nominal output MTU diesel engine, which is small and light, is unusually powerful, making it possibly the most powerful IFV engine currently in use. It has a higher kW/T ratio than the Leopard 2 MBT it is meant to replace, even at the 43T maximum weight in Protection Class C. The vehicle prototypes have a hydro-pneumatic suspension and a 5-road decoupled running gear to improve cross-country performance while limiting vibrations and noise to reduce crew and material stress. The front road wheels are mounted closer to each other and are asymmetrical. This is done to counteract the front-heavy balance caused by the engine and drivetrain, which are also in the front, and the heavy frontal armor. Defense's new 500mm wide steel tracks are lighter than previous designs,